Workout Anytime is located in the center of Mega Plaza on the second story, which also makes it convenient to get any shopping done while you're there. Even though it's a new gym, we found it a little strange that they don't offer weekly rates, which makes it hard for people visiting the island to work out with them. They also don't offer discounted rates for islanders that pay 6 months to a year up front like most of the other gyms do. Although they do have longer hours than most of the other gyms, we were surprised that they close at 9 p.m. on weekdays and 6 p.m. on weekends with a name like Anytime. They have a large variety of machines and free weights which are all brand new and in excellent condition. The bathrooms are nice with plenty of showers, and I love that they offered free lockers with your own lock. They have 2 aerobics rooms where they offer plenty of classes to choose from. I would like to see more equipment to be able to do other things like abs and stretching. The preloaded barbells only go up to 60 pounds, which I feel is a little light for a gym of this caliber. The dumbbells, like everything else, are brand new and in great shape. They do go up to 100 pounds, which should suffice for most people. Trainers are located in the rooms to the right and offer one-on-one training or a customized workout. Overall, the big variety of brand new equipment and a big open AC space makes this a great gym to try. However, as of right now, there's no drinking water or Wi-Fi, and they still have to clean up the floors more from the new construction. They also don't offer any type of food or nutrition products, but stated that a food court is going to be going in next door. I believe this gym has a promising future and will probably be back in the future after they've fully settled in.